Hey everybody, I'm here today to talk to you about a Canon Pixma TR4500 printer that is not printing. I'll be going over how to fix it easily in this easy tutorial. Let's get right into the video. I will specifically be going over 6 things that you can do to hopefully fix your problem of your Canon Pixma TR4500 printer not printing. So let's get right into the video. This is actually the Canon Pixma TR4522, and this is part of the TR4500 series lineup of printers. So let's get right into this. Now, if your printer copies and scans okay, or at least scans okay, then you know that it's a problem with the actual printing portion of it. Because if it scans fine, then that means that the technology of the scanner on the printer is working. But if it won't print or copy, then you know it's something regarding the printing aspect of it. So let's get into it. Number one, the first thing that you can do is turn it off and on. A lot of people will jump to conclusions, think that their printer is broken. Listen, push the power button, turn it off, push the power button, turn it back on, okay? You can leave it off for 30 seconds if you want, but for the most part, it doesn't really make a difference. Turn it off, turn it back on. Usually that will solve most errors with most technological devices. If that doesn't work, move on to number 2, which is unplug it for about a minute and then plug it back in. That's more of a harder reset than the simple off and on button trick that I talked to you about for number 1. Unplugging it for a minute and plugging it back in will actually sort of drain the internal power reservoir, which will hopefully give it a better chance of getting rid of any errors, malfunctions, or glitches that it's going through, okay? Number 3, remove the ink cartridges and put them back in. So you don't have to change them. If they still have ink in them, you don't have to change them, but remove them and put them back in, okay? So open up your secondary door. When you do this, when the printer's plugged in, the ink cartridges are going to be moved to the middle. You're going to just remove them, put them back in, the color side and then the black and white side, okay? When you're done, close it up and try and print again. So literally, like, maybe your ink cartridges are not making proper contact with the motherboard back there, with the mechanism back there, and something as simple as removing them and plugging them back in, removing them and popping them back in will do a good job at sort of making sure that they're connected nice and properly. And make sure you get that nice tactile click feeling and click sound when you're putting them back in place. If that doesn't work and if it doesn't fix a problem, you're going to move on to number 4, which is look at the connectivity of it. So make sure that the actual printer is connected to Wi-Fi, or make sure that it is connected through a wired connection. So if you are printing wirelessly, make sure your printer is connected to Wi-Fi properly. Maybe your phone is connected, maybe your tablet's connected, maybe your computer's connected, whatever you're using to print the document from or the photo from, but maybe the printer itself is not connected. So do yourself a favor, make sure that your Wi-Fi is working on the actual printer, or if it's wired up, make sure the wire, the USB plug, is nice and firmly in place and plugged in properly, okay? If that doesn't work, that was number 4. If that doesn't work, you're gonna move on to number 5, which is check for a paper jam. Now, most of the time, your printer will tell you that there's a paper jam, but sometimes paper might be jammed or something might be jammed in there and your printer won't recognize it. So with that being said, you're gonna check for a paper jam, okay? Unplug the printer whenever you're looking for a paper jam, just to prevent any parts from moving around. Take a look over here, see if there's any paper jammed up. You can even pull this out to get a better view. See if there's any paper jammed up. As you can see, this is your paper input tray with all the blank pages. This is where the paper would go into the printer. So see if there's a paper jam right there, okay? If not, take a look over here. See if there's a paper jam in there, okay? And if not, go to the back. There's an additional little door. You can squeeze these 2 tabs together, pry that down, and then if you lift up the printer, it actually will expose another area that you might have a paper jam in over there. So take a look for a paper jam, because you might have a paper jam and your printer might not even know it. And make sure when you're done with this door that you close it properly, just like that. So that is, I believe that was number 5, if I'm counting properly. That was number 5, check for a paper jam. And last but not least is number 6, do a factory reset. If you cannot get the printer to print and you've tried all those things, just reset it to its factory settings. You're gonna lose all the data on the printer, but it only takes a matter of a few minutes to set up once again. You're gonna go to the settings menu, then I believe it's device settings, and then reset, and then you're going to go to reset all, I believe, or all reset, something like that. It's pretty straightforward. It's all done through the settings menu, which is this over here, okay? So yeah, that's basically it. If you have a Canon Pixma TR4500 printer that is not printing, those are 6 things that you can do to hopefully fix it. This has been an easy tutorial. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.